Step into a shower experience that feels calm, balanced, and thoughtfully designed. Water flows wide and even from above, creating a soft waterfall effect that rinses the body without harsh pressure. It's the kind of flow that instantly slows you down and helps the day fade away. Multiple spray zones give you flexibility throughout your routine. The overhead flow covers you fully, while the back sprays add targeted comfort, and the hand shower offers control when you need it. Switching between them feels natural, letting each shower match your mood, quick and refreshing, or slow and relaxing. Air-mixed water keeps the stream gentle on the skin while still feeling effective. It spreads evenly, reduces splash, and uses water more efficiently, so the experience feels luxurious without being wasteful. Every detail is designed to work quietly in the background, letting the water do the talking. With its clean, modern form and smooth operation, the entire setup blends seamlessly into the space. It doesn't overwhelm the bathroom, it elevates it. What starts as a daily routine turns into a moment of comfort, where water, design, and atmosphere come together in a way that simply feels right.